I'm in the African Savanna, and I'm just using my new GoPro 13 Creator Edition to take videos here. I have a travel channel called Nabakon Safari. That's where I normally share my travel videos. So today, hi guys. So today I'm in the African Savanna, and I'm just using my GoPro 13 Creator Edition. I just want to see how it fares in the African Savanna. Wow, look at this place. Look at the landscape. This place, I tell you, is cool, and there's a lot of breeze. It's so cool. It's a nice place. Yeah, hi. Yeah, so this is the African Savanna for you. And I'm telling you, I'm using GoPro 13 Creator Edition to take this video. Look at them plains. Now, this is Masai land. If you want to know where I am in Kisaju Plains. Now, Kisaju Plains is somewhere in Kenya, just about 110 kilometers to Namanga town, which is at the border of Kenya and Tanzania. Now, this place is a Masai land. If you've heard of Masais in Kenya and Tanzania, now this is where they actually reside. And you know, they live in the African Savanna, which is characterized by vast grasslands. Look at those vast grasslands. Yeah? And you know, the Masais, what they do, they just graze. They just take their cattle here, they graze, and they go. If this place becomes dry, they move to another place. If the place they go to also becomes dry, they move to another place. And that's what they normally do. So this is the African Savanna for you. And I'm using GoPro 13. This is a new camera I've just bought. I want to see how it fares, you know. I want to see the kind of videos it can give me. Now, interestingly, is that I have been using GoPro 12, so I just upgraded to 13, yeah. And this is 13 Creator Edition, which comes with a media mode. A media mode comes with the microphone, you know, and it comes with a Volta. I'll show you. It comes with a Volta. The Volta has an extra charge. It has an extra battery which can charge the camera in case the main battery depletes. So I'm in the African Savanna one more time, and I'm using GoPro 13 Creator Edition to take videos here and see how it shoots. Look at this landscape. My goodness, look at the plains. This is Kisaju Plains. So this place is characterized with vast grasslands. And when you're walking in the African Savanna, you might come across wild animals like zebras. You might come across ostriches. You can come across them gazelles and many wild animals here. There's a time I was just doing my evening walk, and I met wild zebras, and you know, oh my goodness, it was a view to behold. So I share these videos on my new travel channel, which is called Nabakon Safari. You could go on YouTube, look for Nabakon Safari, and see most of my travel videos where I'm just going to off the beaten paths. Places like Kisaju Plains, yeah, places like Olotikosh, places that many travel YouTubers don't go to, and that's the thing. I want to show people places, yeah, and that's why I've, you know, managed to buy this GoPro 13, which is the latest, I believe, camera in the range of GoPros, and it's a full Creator Edition, so that you can also record your voiceovers after you have shot your videos. So I just wanted to show you, in case you're planning to buy a GoPro 13, this is how it takes the videos. Now, the resolution I've set at 5.3K. It's important to tell you so that you can know, if you watch this video, you can know the settings that I'm using. So the resolution is at 5.3K, and the shutter speed is at auto, and the framing is at 16:9, and the frame rate is at 30 FPS. The bit depth at 10. So those are my settings. You could try them And if you have better settings, because I know people who watch Ian's Gadget are people who are, you know, tech savvy. Yeah, so if you have the best settings for this camera, when a person is recording in a place like this, the African Savanna, with vast grasslands, share the settings in the comment section. It could help me and many others, you know, that kind of thing. You know, you need to share. Let's share our experiences. So today I'm just walking. It's around 4 p.m. East Africa time, and I'm just walking in the African Savanna, in the vast grasslands of the African Savanna, just recording my video. I want to go check out how the video comes out, because I just bought this camera. I've not gotten a chance of even recording, so I thought, why not today? And I was like, okay, today it has to happen. I've been postponing, but today I said, okay, I have time, let me walk, also show people how the African Savanna looks like, the Maasai land. And talking about the Maasais, they just graze over here. You know, these people, what they do is that they rear cattle, and that's why they need plains like these, mass of land, plains. Look at it with the minimal house. You see a house over there, a house over the other side, so you don't find houses together. So what they do, they just graze. So like if this place becomes dry, they move to another place that is not dry. They keep moving, and when they reach where they've gone, if it becomes dry, they start coming back again, you know, grazing their livestock. So that is their life. So I'm in the African Savanna. I've been visiting many places here. I've been sharing my content on Nabokon Safari, which is my new YouTube travel channel. You could go there and watch some of these videos. I know you love them, yeah, because they are unique. It's in the African Savanna, and I just share my experiences. Yeah, I show people seasonal rivers over here. I show people wild animals, you know, when I bump in them, you know, random videos. Yeah, the other day I showed people a hidden estate, you know, in the middle of the African Savanna. Just in the middle of the African Savanna, there is a bubbling estate with everything, with all the utilities. And it was like, oh, yeah. So guys, the purpose of this video was just to show you how, whoa, look at them birds. The birds are just chirping. This is what you get in the African Savanna. If you love bird viewing, then I'm telling you, you just walk over here, mostly in the morning and evening time, you get to see a lot of birds. Yeah, you get to see a lot of birds, because this place is quiet, and it's just vast. You can walk and walk and walk. You can go until you reach the Manga, which is the border between Kenya and Tanzania. And when you cross the border, you see Maasais are on either side of the border. You have Kenyan Maasais, and you also have Tanzanian Maasais. So you just go and they graze, and even they cross the border to the other side. And also the Maasais in the other side, they also cross the border to this other side. Something like that. So guys, I'm in the middle of the African Savanna, as you can see, and I'm just walking. The breeze here is fantastic, it's heavenly, and the views are scenic. It's magical. Look at that. Just look at that. My goodness. Where else do you get this kind of view? And I'm just alone, walking here, one man in the African Savanna, just taking in, soaking in the views as they come, and seeing the birds, you know, chirping and, you know, flying, you know, that kind of thing. And, you know, if I continue like this, I could bump in ostriches, I could bump in zebras, you know, I could bump in them gazelles, that kind of thing. So guys, look at those birds. Whoa, whoa, this is fantastic. Just look at them birds. Yeah, look at them birds. If you come these places in the morning, you see a lot of birds, you know. So guys, I'm ending my video here. I hope you'll go to Nabokon Safari, and catch up with some of my videos. I just share my experiences when I travel. The same way I share my experiences when my gadgets, cause problems. I solve the problems and share with you guys. The same way also when I travel, I just share my experience with people, so that if you want also to come and experience the vast plains here, the vast African savanna grasslands, you could come. Yeah. So guys, let me leave it at here. See you in the next one, guys. Let me continue just walking and viewing the birds. Different species of birds over here. A lot of species. Bird species. There are many bird species over here. A lot of bird species. Look at this one. And they don't even run fast. They just fly around. This is what you get in the African savanna. And I'm using GoPro 13 Creator Edition to do this. So guys, just look at the scenic view. Panoramic. Wow, and the breeze here is heavenly. Just look at that. Look at that. Whoa! Whoa!